I feel like I have hope again. I was dying. My name is Veronica Grady, and I do shamanic healing and counseling for a living. So back in 1990, I fractured my neck. I've had issues, so we're in 2019, so it's almost 30 years. I injured my vagus nerve, my autonomic nervous system, lots of body issues since then. It's been debilitating. Dr. Garcia showed me some things yesterday that I'm about to do this afternoon, where I feel like I can get my brain back on track. I've had some traumatic brain injuries, some other issues that no AMA doctor could even touch, and I didn't want to be drugged. I knew there was another solution, and I knew biomagnetism was it. And one of the first placements that I did was a vagus nerve issue, a vagus nerve placement. Literally, and this sounds weird, but I literally felt the nerve, the vagus nerve, which is a wandering nerve, open up all the way through my system that I've never felt before, and it felt like my brain cleared up. Lots of amazing experiences with it. It is so powerfully effective. I've watched people change all through the seminar, myself included. Just by simple placements of magnets. I actually have some on me right now because I'm working through some stuff that just came up, and within 15 minutes the issue is collapsing. It's amazing. I'm just so grateful for this. It's like I feel like I've gotten my life back, and I still have a road ahead of me, but now I know the map. This training gives you the map on how to heal yourself and others in your life. It is the most powerful training and powerful tool that I've ever experienced, and I've been doing this stuff all my life. I'm so grateful that he's come into our lives because I think it's changed. I know it's changed everybody's life that's in this training.